Howdy doody everyone, this is Simple White Tovich here from the Fusing Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to make a junk marble. Okay folks, the first thing you need to make a junk marble is, I like to use 10mm rod. Boom. I have a bunch of scrap glass over here, so what you will do is pick out what looks good to you. You've got your color combinations, you know, I got some of this blue and white here that I use for something. I got some red and blue. Let's see. This blue looks kind of cool. So first get your scraps together that you're going to use for your marble. I have some black lightning scraps. And use that too. And depending on how big of the marble you want to make, depends on how much scrap you're going to gather. Pretty straightforward. I also have some scrap green slime here. You know what? I like the contrast. What's good contrasty color here? I'll use this one. Really helps hold the room together, this glass. Alright, now let's hop over to the torch. There we go. First thing you want to do is grab your 10mm rod, which I conveniently placed right in front of me. Heat that up. Get that nice and hot. Next thing, take one of your scrap pieces. I like to start with a little bit of a thinner and smaller one. So start making your gather, elbows down, make your gather. Gather, 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 gather. And heat up, warm up that scrap piece next to the fire. Start getting it hot. Sometimes they crack and explode, sometimes they don't. You know, we just do the best we can. This one's got a nice juicy hot piece. I'm just going to attach it. Put it in the fire, rotate, rotate, rotate. And I'm just going to help it shape itself into a marble by smushing, compressing, and this is where it gets cold. So it's kind of unpredictable. You never know what you're going to get. Junk marbles like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get. But seriously, they are very random, but that's what's fun about them. Get that one nice and juicy hot. Start getting your other one here warmed up. Whew, here comes a hot ball of fire here. Attach, rotate, 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 rotate. The glass starts to move. I like to help it move into the ball that I want it to eventually be. And I'll just go ahead and grab another piece of glass. Same deal here. Warm that up. Keep rotating this while it's hot. When you're ready, smash that on your marble. I got a big old random chunk on the end there, but that's okay. I don't know, I feel like making a big junk marble today, you know? I usually make smaller ones, but maybe today I'll make it a big one. Throw a whole bunch of stuff on there, melt it in, see how it goes. Fold that down, boom. Again, this is your marble. Make it the way you want. Folks may not like the colors I chose. Whatevs. Just here doing what I like to do. Melting glass. Now that's all becoming a nice big melted in blob. I'm going to grab my other piece here with my red and blue. Whoop. Rotating that, else you're going to have a big problem on your hands. There's that red and blue one. Attach that right there, right across the top. Put that in the flame. I'm going to bend it over the other one. And this kind of like clear blue and red stripe over it. And that's going to look pretty nice. Start melting this sucker in. Feel free to switch hands here. Alright, now we've got some melting action going on. Woo! Ooh-wee. Let's switch hands again. Now I'm just going to melt, starting at the tip. And do the same thing as we did in our marble shaping video. You're just going to start at that tip. Start melting this on down. Getting your gather and start making that nice round shape. As it's moving too much, move further out of the flame, folks. And at that old marble mold, starts to round up. Take it out, spin it around for a little bit, take a hold, and just rotate that sucker in there. Switch to a smaller hole. Okay, that's half the junk marble. I'm going to cold seal punty to the other end. Detach. I can find my other punty. Where did you go? There you are. Right where it should be. Genius. Genius. Alright, let's heat up the tip. Make it nice and juicy hot. Nice red little tip there. Connect. Rotate. Flame cut. I'll shape the other half of this. It depends if you want clear on your junk marble or not. Just I think it'll look better with some more clear in there, so I'm going to leave some on. I'm gonna smash some of that clear right on in there. And flame cut over here. Good job. Okay. Melt this on down. Pretty much the same thing, just gather that glass back in on itself. Keep that punty, like you don't want to knock that cold seal off when I'm not ready. So the last thing you want is this little ball of fire rolling on your floor. This is going to look good when this is done. I think this is going to be looking good. Got a little bit crooked, that's okay, just straighten it out. This actually looks really cool on the inside. Always keep your piece over your work table in case it does snap off by accident. Always wait a few seconds before you go into the marble mold. Let that like thin layer of glass form on itself. Alright, I'm going to need to got another punty. Grab another one here. Round off that other side and we will be done. Oh, looks like there's a storm going on inside this marble or something. Oh, it's always straight. Get everything back where it's supposed to be. Lamp is sure extremely imperfect and often get like a weed off center. But whatever. It is what it is. We're gonna wait for this to cool down so we can see what it looks like. I would normally put this right in the kiln, but I just want to check out what kind of colors we got going. Oh wow, it's nice. Got some really nice red and blue and greens in there. Close that off for a minute. And it's got like this cool looking storm on the other side. There we go. Now we're focusing. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Then there's the bottom where the blue and the white was in. We got the red and the blue on the top there, along with some green and some other stuff. Pretty cool looking junk marble. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching that junk marble video. Please like and subscribe and check out our website at thefusingshop.com. We'll see you next time.